All right, guys, we got us a 2011 Toyota Tundra 5.7 liter I-Force V8. Really beautiful truck, as you guys can see. He brought it in. He had some exhaust work done somewhere else a long time ago. We got factory 4 converters, 2 there and 2 there. And then he had some kind of knockoff muffler right there. I'll show it to you guys in a second. It's all rusted to hell. And he wanted it just a little bit quieter, he wanted like 10% louder than stock. So we went with a MAGNAFLOW 125/68, dual in, dual out, 28 inches long, overall 22-inch body, right there, really wide muffler. It'll give him a nice deep tone when he really gets on it, but won't hear it when it's idle. And it's got 2 1/4 tailpipes there, in there, into 3-inch tips, right there and right there. There's the old muffler right here. It's all rotted. As you guys can see, it's a knockoff FLOWMASTER. It's seen better days, so we made it pretty for him again. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. 2014 Toyota Tundra 5.7 liter I-Force, I think it was. Really nice truck. He's had it since 14. You can tell it's a one owner. It's really clean. Got factory converters there and there. Then it's true dual into a FLOWMASTER. We put a FLOWMASTER Super 40, part number 8525454. Right there, as you guys can see. There'll be a link in the description for it. And then 2 1/4 tailpipes out the back on each side. There and there. Into some oval tips there and there. Just a different look. Really nice. Came out really clean. And like always, guys, please, if you like our work, make sure you subscribe and comment and all that beautiful stuff you guys do for us. And we really appreciate the support. There it is, right there. This is the old system he put on it a week after he bought it. So it's lasted since 2014, as you guys can see. That's a good system. Out with the old, in with the new. Is that better? Give it gas? That's perfect. So you can still hear it outside, but you barely hear it inside. Again? Here's sound decibels. You have to really get on it to hear it. It went up to 89, and then when he really got on, it was like 94. Go ahead and back it out. You like it?
Now.
Huh?
Now.
You want to do it now?
Yeah.
I have one car before you. Hold on. Let me finish this video. 1 second. Again? You guys can see it sounds really nice. Let you guys hear it. Is that a little bit better throttle? It's better than the 50. It's a 40. It's a little bit deeper. 40 series Super 40 FLOWMASTER. Again. Give it gas a little bit higher. There we go. You can hear it. Again. There's sound decibels. One more. There it is, right at 96. Go ahead and back it out. So deep with the 40 series. I like this muffler on it. Wow. Super 40. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments if you like that sound. Let you guys hear on the inside.